Welcome, future moguls and money maestros. What if I told you that you could be rolling in cash, just like the most successful entrepreneurs? Intriguing, isn't it? Today, we're going to uncover the 10 laws of money that the rich and successful swear by. We're talking about a treasure trove of secrets that could potentially catapult you into the realm of the wealthy. Picture yourself in a world of luxury yachts, private jets, and endless prosperity. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? So stick around, dive into the game of money, and you might just become the next big thing in wealth. Let's get started with our journey into the intriguing world of money exchange. Have you ever found yourself puzzled, questioning why certain individuals appear to swim in a sea of wealth, while others tread water in financial uncertainty? The key to this riddle lies in the complicated game of exchange. It's an enthralling clash of concepts. Earning versus making money. Picture earning money as a straightforward deal, a swap of labor for cash. Yet, making money is a different beast altogether. It's a thrilling game changer. The strategy of continued returns for a singular effort. Now fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the intricacies of this financial chess game. While you've been busy working for money, the financially savvy have mastered the art of making their money work for them. Who you hang out with matters, especially when it comes to wealth. Picture this. You're in a room filled with successful, wealthy individuals. You're networking, eavesdropping on conversations, learning. You're not just rubbing elbows with the rich, you're absorbing their mindset, these golden nuggets of wisdom. They're successful financial strategies you can adopt. This isn't just about money, it's about personal growth, about expanding your horizons. When you're in the company of the rich, their mindset, lifestyle, and interests can become yours too. Earning money is one thing, but keeping it? Now that's a whole different ballgame. It's like catching a fish versus keeping it alive in an aquarium. Sure, you've got the fish, but can you create the right environment for it to thrive? That's where financial responsibility comes into play. It's a juggling act of budgeting, long-term planning, and smart decision-making. It's not just about making money, it's about keeping it and growing it. If you're not willing to take risks, you're not ready to be rich. When it comes to financial success, calculated risks are often a necessary part of the equation. With greater risk comes the potential for higher returns. Especially for the younger folks among us, the capacity to handle more risk can be a game changer. Strategic financial decisions and investments become key drivers for long-term growth. So when it comes to your wealth journey, the question is, are you ready to take the leap? Think you should flaunt your wealth? Think again. There's power in secrecy. Keeping your financial affairs under wraps wards off those who might want to exploit your prosperity. And here's another secret: the power of a hidden savings account. This stealthy stash serves as your financial safety net during unexpected circumstances. It's your silent partner, always ready to step in when you need it most. Always keep your cards close to your chest, and you'll be the one holding the winning hand. Money, like people, gets bored when it's idle. Keep it moving. Imagine your cash as an energetic athlete, always ready to run another mile. When you actively invest and diversify, your money sprints forward, chasing opportunities and profits. It's a dynamic process, a constant race towards growth. On the other hand, idle money is like a snoozing sloth, sluggish and unproductive. It loses its usefulness, its potential wilted away. Keep your money busy, keep it engaged. Active money equals continuous growth. Every penny saved is a step towards wealth, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger with every rotation. That's compound interest for you. It's the multiplying force where your wealth expands on its own because the interest you earn each year grows by adding onto the original amount. Even small savings can wield this power over time. It's the financial world's version of a magic spell. Start saving, start growing, every penny counts. Why should you be the only one working? Make your money work for you. It's about shifting from a mindset of laboring for every dollar to strategically placing your money in investments. Think of it as hiring your dollars as employees. They're out there day and night, rain or shine, generating more money. These could be stocks, real estate, or a side business, essentially creating passive income. This way, you're not trading time for money but making money work for you. Work smarter, not harder, make your money do the heavy lifting. Money burning a hole in your pocket? Time to rethink your spending habits. While it's tempting to splurge on the latest gadgets or indulge in impulsive shopping, thoughtful spending is the key to financial longevity. Wealthy individuals don't just spend money, they strategically plan their expenses. They ensure that every dollar spent is replaced and even exceeded through their investments and income streams. So before you make your next purchase, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Just remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Think you can sit back once you've made your fortune? Think again. Wealth accumulation is not a one-off event, but a continual process. It's a lifelong game that demands your ongoing involvement. The secret to financial success lies not just in making money, but in managing it effectively. The competition is fierce, the market unpredictable. Your wealth needs to be navigated with skill and precision. So keep playing the game, and remember, the goal is financial freedom. Let's conquer the path to banking billions together. Like, share, and subscribe. Your fortune awaits.